Okay, now we have our lower completely done. We're gonna go ahead and start on our upper build. I'm gonna do it the same way and just do a video with a few components at a time, and then I'll probably edit them all together at the end in case you just want to watch the whole thing. What we need here, we're gonna do our forward assist and our ejection port cover, commonly known as a dust cover. These are parts you're gonna need. It's your forward assist pin, and your forward assist spring. And obviously you're gonna have to have your upper. And then here's your ejection port cover pin, spring, and that little retaining clip right there we're going to need. So we'll go ahead and get started on that. I'll just do those two things for this video. So we'll start with our ejection port cover. Okay, so we're just going to take this little retaining clip and we're going to clip it in this little groove right here on the pin. What I usually do, I use a pair of scissors clamp, and I put the retaining clip in the clamp and then push down the pin onto the open end of the retaining clip. It's a good thing if you have extra retaining clips because they're really easy to lose. Okay, so I have my retaining clip clamped in my scissor clamps. And we're just going to take the rod and snap it down on there in that groove. In concept anyway. And I think they got it. And that's what it should look like on there. You're going to put that retaining ring inside that little slot in your pin. We'll just put a couple drops of oil on the dust cover pin. Okay, you're just going to put it in where you put your clip at, your retainer. Just going to slide that in there from the forward part of the upper receiver. And you're just going to push it all the way in until it's flush right there, right here. Now our pin's going to go in. You're going to put the long leg to the right and the short leg to the left. And all we're going to do here is we're going to take this big leg right here and we're going to spin it back towards the upper receiver while holding the other end of the spring. And once we flip that back, it's going to rest right in this slot right here. That's what's going to give us our spring tension, and then we'll push the pin through. We're just going to take this leg and spin it, place it in that groove. Hopefully, just got to make sure you hold the left end of the spring down so it doesn't flip around. Once you get in there, just hold it in there tight and go ahead and start putting your pin through the spring. Line it up. Okay, it's still lined up. And that's it, and just make sure you have spring tension on your door. That's it for the ejection port cover. Next we'll go ahead and do the forward assist. I'll go ahead and put it in a bench block, vice block. Next we're going to put our forward assist in. All you need is the forward assist spring, the forward assist assembly, and your forward assist roll pin. I'm just going to hit the forward assist and the spring with some lithium grease. And my roll pin with a little bit of gun oil drop. Okay, the hooked side right here is going to go towards the inside of your upper receiver, so that's what's going to catch your bolt. So you just put your spring on. Doesn't matter which way your spring goes. And we're just going to slide it in. Like I said, hooked in towards the inside of the upper receiver, so it catches your bolt. Now I'm just going to use a slave pin in here. You might have to turn it. I'm going to come up from underneath. And then we'll put our roll pin in. And we'll just start with our roll pin. There it is. Starter.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Go.
Now we're going to Punch your roll pin through till it's flush. Okay, just make sure your forward assist doesn't fly out and everything's functioning in it. I'll give it a couple more hits, make it flush. That's it. Next we'll put the barrel on.